Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a message to reveal Instagram story. So this is a pretty new Instagram feature where your followers need to message you before they can see your Instagram story. So here I'm going to start by clicking on the your story and select the story first. Okay, so for example, I'm going to upload this story. Click on the sticker icon to create a message to reveal. This one, choose the reveal option. So your followers will, this story will be blurred and your followers can see it after they message me to see this story. So you can describe what's hidden in the blurred picture. For example, I'm going to just right happiness, for example. Click on done, and after that just upload your story. You can see the preview in here by clicking on preview. So your followers will see your story like this, and they need to click on this message to reveal button to see the whole story. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.